Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of my life, and for today's video, we're still in Baler to celebrate my birthday. So of course, palengke tayong to buy necessities kasi we're going to cook kasi magastos kung kakain lang namin sa labas. And we decided to stay here at Baler Beach. And dito na rin kami naghanap ng accommodation. Yeah, so walk-in lang kami since hindi naman peak season ang birthday ko. So, hindi talaga yan siya marunong mag-makeup pero kailangan magganda-gandahan for today's video.
When my songs don't strike a chord,
Pwede na yan.
Hindi
you
pala.
stop coming around. When you get smarter, you get bored. Hand me down,
Alam mo yun?
Sige na kasi.
Saan ka dito?
Diyan ka lang. Ganyan. Okay na.
So, dito nga kami kumain sa Taste Buds kasi mukhang masarap naman yung mga binibenta nila. Maganda dito sa Baler Beach guys kasi katapat lang ng beach yung mga bar, resto bar. So, may nightlife talaga.
you know
So, ang in-order namin ay corn and crab soup, kare-kare, rice, and classic dinakdakan. And super dami pala ng serving, OMG. Kaya hindi rin talaga namin naubos. So, yeah, that's it guys. So, may live band din pala dito kaya medyo maingay yung background guys. Pero super fun naman. So, since birthday ko naman, we decided to treat ourselves. For me, I bought a frap na pistachio flavor pero lasang matcha. I don't know the difference. And yeah, since birthday ko naman, nag-beer si Vincent. Pero ay isa lang naman. So, okay lang yan guys. I don't really celebrate my birthday since it's just a normal day, another
you
day.
just can't
But
stand the pain.
thank you so much, love, for making this day special.
When you just
I really
can't stand
appreciate
the
it. Thank you
sound.
so much. And
Don't
yeah,
throw me out in that
had fun.
cold rain. No, no. Hand me down, hand me down. Hand me down, hand me down. And don't you hang